Hi friends and foes, I am Shomu and you are watching Hollywood Encyclopedia. And again, I have come collecting all those underrated psychological thriller movies that you didn't know earlier. But that doesn't mean every movie has to be unknown to you, but most of them really are. And I have arranged them in order of IMDb ratings and collected from all over the globe. So, let's get started. Number 10, Silent House. It got 5.3 rating on IMDb. Though it is a low rated movie, I still question myself, does it deserve only 5.3? Starring gorgeous Elizabeth Olsen. When a family was packing things up of a house which is already sold, the girl starts hearing voices inside the house. As her uncle leaves to bring an electrician, she and her father was attacked by some people. And later she revealed the real guilty. But it wasn't the real story. As I am calling it a psychological thriller, you must have to wait to see what kind of psychological twist comes and changes the plot completely. Oh, I forgot to tell you, don't miss the ending. Number 9, Hide and Seek. It got 6 rating on IMDb. This is one of the most underrated psychological thriller movies I have ever watched, and a great performance by Robert De Niro. If you have enough movie knowledge, you will predict the plot, but you can never expect the ending. After the death of the wife of psychiatrist Dr. David Calloway, he moved to somewhere far from the town with his daughter, and his daughter starts seeing imaginary friend there. This movie had actually 3 alternative endings, and there is a very dark one, but the movie unfortunately was released with the commercial one. Number 8, The Perfection. It got 6.1 rating on IMDb. This is an elegant and terrifying suspense ride filled with unexpected twists and turns. A teenage violin player left the music school to take care of her sick mother. Years later, when she comes back, she found a new student took over her. When they start traveling together on vacation, strange things start happening with the new student. This was just the beginning. There are plenty of twists and turns to keep you hooked until the end. Acting and plot were good. Please don't watch this 18 plus movie with your parents. Number 7, The Uninvited. It got 6.3 rating on IMDb. In one word, it's a masterpiece. Anna, a teenager girl, returns to her home from mental hospital, but she started having problem with her stepmother who doesn't treat her well. Though her elder sister and father love her, she starts seeing her dead mother. But story doesn't end here. Only 1 hour 27 minutes runtime movie is enough to take you on a thrilling ride. By the way, this movie is the official remake of the 2003 South Korean film A Tale of Two Sisters. Number 6, The Number 23. It got 6.4 rating on IMDb. I became a fan of Jim Carrey before knowing he can act in serious movies too, along with the comedy ones. A family man gets obsessed with a number after reading a novel which he believes was written about him. Soon he finds similarities between him and his literary alter ego. Believe me, before watching this movie I didn't know just a simple number can be involved with so many things in the world. Number 5, Orphan. It got 7 rating on IMDb. Underrated means whatever it deserves it didn't get. Orphan is such a good movie with a great plot, acting and thrill that it deserves more. Though there's no twist as you will get to know the story as soon as it moves forward, but overall, it's awesome. I won't say that it is an unknown one, but those of you who didn't watch this movie till now, you are missing one of the greatest thing in the world. Number 4, Identity. It got 7.3 rating on IMDb. Whenever someone asks me about movies, I suggest them Identity first because I have watched a lot of movies, but it was the first movie which gave me a shock. I watched this one a long time ago when I wasn't fond of movies that much. Even if you have enough experience of watching movies, you can't predict the ending. Beautiful cinematography and story arrangement make this movie great. When 10 strangers came to a motel on a rainy night, murder starts taking place one by one. But does the story that much easy? It's not. It's a worth watching movie.
Iris.
Number 3, Nocturnal Animals. It got 7.5 rating on IMDb. Another classic movie by Jake Gyllenhaal. This film was so different than the others. A middle-aged woman divorced her ex-husband and got married with another one. One day, she received a novel written by her ex-husband and started thinking of their past life. As her ex-husband wanted to meet her in the present time, she visited a restaurant and kept waiting for her ex-husband. The story has much deeper meaning and a deep philosophical ending where you will get to watch their present life, past life and story life simultaneously. Number 2, Dhuruvangal Pattinadu, D16. It got 8.3 rating on IMDb. One of the most underrated movies of this decade. Dhuruvangal Pattinadu or D16 is an Indian regional movie with just 1 hour 45 minutes of runtime. It has a strong plot and not a single second of this movie gets weak and out of track. A police officer retires after an accident during a case investigation. Years later, he is forced to relive the past as he narrates the story to his friend's son. But everything will be revealed that didn't during the case. It's a worth watching movie.
Iris.
Number 1, Psycho. It got 8.5 rating on IMDb. One of the greatest movies of all time in world history. A Phoenix office worker fed up with her life and thought of having a new life with the $40,000 she got. She went to a motel far from the town to meet her lover next day. The motel is managed by a quiet young man called Norman Bates, who seemed to be dominated by his mother. But the story ending and even that level of thinking in 1960 made it an all-time blockbuster. If you liked my video, please do like, share and subscribe.